Secure the forward crane immediately. We are taking on water at the bow. All hands brace for impact. Inflation sequence initiated. Status check on Bag 4.
Bag 4 is green, Marcus. Holding position.
Team, easy on the starboard side. We're clear to lower the forward cradle.
All right, tugs, easy on the stern. Bring her in another 10 meters.
Stand by with the forward spring line.
Aye, standing by.
Watch the slack on the stern.
We initiate the geothermal conduits here by 0800.
That aligns with the water reclamation schedule.
But the seismic readings near the caldera are
Bring the next section up. Watch the alignment on the starboard side. Easy now.
Surface team, come in.
I'm looking at a 400-ounce U.S. Treasury gold bar, dated 1943. We hit the jackpot.
The density readings confirm it's extraterrestrial in origin, Commander.
Are the energy signatures stable, Doctor?
Fluctuating slightly, but within acceptable parameters.
Make sure this entire section is prepped by 1400. We start blasting right after lunch.
Noted, Victor. The staging is clear.
All right, team, let's get this done.
Focus on the lower section now. Maintain the speed and watch the heat input. Let's keep this moving.
Right there, seal the lower edge.
Flow rate increased. Holding steady.
We need to reinforce this section immediately. The corrosion runs deep.
Understood. We'll get the plates ready now.
See this structural support here. It aligns perfectly with the revised schematic.
Yes, that resolves the load-bearing issue we discussed earlier.
Yeah.
We need to ensure the leading edges are smooth to micron level.
My team is running the final calibration check now, Victor.
Maintain that overlap. We need full coverage on the bow section. Move systematically to the left.
The alignment looks precise, Victor. The paint is holding well.
Indeed, Doctor. It is satisfactory work.
Check the tolerances right here on the breech. We need a smooth finish.
The edge on the lower star point seems slightly off spec.
It's within tolerance, Lieutenant. It is authentic. Attention on deck. Present a proud face to the camera, gentlemen. Make sure you get that section by the baseboard, then we'll move down to the next hallway.
That looks good. You can move this one to the finished rack now.
This dent is unacceptable. Clean it up before you paint. We do not compromise on quality here.
Okay, check page 42. The calibration needs to match the diagram exactly before we secure the housing.
The pressure on valve 85B is fluctuating slightly outside the parameters.
It appears stable now, Doctor.
The bypass seems to be working. Watch the seal on the upper left. A little lower, gentlemen. Yes, that's it. Perfect. The lighting is exactly right now.
Have the sensor readings on this specific bar been stable since the installation, Lieutenant?
They have. The perimeter is secure.
The structural integrity is remarkable.
Indeed. This changes everything we thought possible.
Testing. 1, 2. Check the levels, please. 1, 2, 3. It is my distinct honor to stand before you today on this historic occasion. The U.S. Defender represents the...
This memorial stands as a testament to the submarine's history and the valiant sailors who served.
All right, everyone, watch your step on the gangway. We are about to enter a real piece of history. Life down here during the war was incredibly cramped. These sailors often shared bunks in 3 shifts.